Welcome back to Daytime Live. We are joined by Lesley-Ann Welsh. She's the managing director of Manifesto Jamaica. Welcome.
Thank you for having me. Greetings.
You look so beautiful. I love the African print and everything. Love it. So let me just jump right in there. First of all, what is Manifesto and how did it get started?
So Manifesto Jamaica is a not-for-profit, non-governmental organization that seeks to educate, expose, and empower young people through art and culture. So we create spaces and opportunities where aspiring and newly established creators can, get some training, experience, amplified exposure, and create network they can use to build their teams and brands. So our approach is multidisciplinary, and our projects and programs take many shapes and forms, and we try to design them according to the audience we're seeking to serve at the time.
Can you tell me some of the projects that you're doing?
Yeah.
So currently, we're about to talk about the festival. Recently, in the last few years, we've worked with the Alpha Institute to create a series of masterclasses, inviting established musicians in that case to come offer masterclasses at both the Edna Manley College and Alpha Institute, and we culminate those events with a jam session. So education and opportunity to practice. We also recently completed a music mentorship program that was a 10-week initiative that we did in concert with Manifesto New York, and that was about giving aspiring early stage music industry professionals, producers, instrumentalists, songwriters, singers, and poets an opportunity to go through the process of crafting a body of work from start to finish, from concept to execution. We, in early 2010 and 11, when we first launched, we were hosting our own festival here in Kingston, Jamaica, and the objective of that was to elevate the profile of young, urban, aspiring talent. In Jamaica, we're a place where people only see you when you've already made it abroad sometimes,
Cool.
So seeking to elevate that local emerging talent so them can get some recognition at home before abroad bust them, and then we catch up late to the fact.
So speaking... Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you there, but you're talking about persons being involved in the project. Can you tell us some success stories from the little one to the bigger ones?
Absolutely. So if you go on our YouTube channel right now and look at some of our early festival videos, our first initiatives, you'll see some pretty familiar faces who are now established touring artists: Kabaka Pyramid, Janine, Protege, lots of photographers and dancers and visual artists, who are now out in the world doing amazing things. You will encounter if you're a student of St. George's, you know that your rugby coach there was part of a theater initiative we hosted in 2014. We have young media professionals who now work at major television networks in Jamaica. We have over the last 5 years created
Lesley-Ann, I feel like you're just showing off now.
Opportunities for over 20 young Jamaicans. So we've been putting in the work.
Yeah, Lesley-Ann, you're showing off.
You're showing off now, Lesley.
Your digital...
No, we are... all right. I got like 3.
Your digital festival is tomorrow.
To prove it.
Your digital festival is tomorrow. Tell us what can we expect and how can you register for this?
So log on to mnfsto.com to RSVP, and we are hosting this festival in concert with Manifesto Toronto, our sister organization in Canada. And you can look forward to a well-rounded, multidisciplinary roster of entertainment, culture, celebrations of creativity, everything from mindful movement sessions, some we might know it as yoga, film screenings, and performances by comedians. I know Duffy will like that. Dancers, spoken word artists, and of course, a solid lineup of musical and performance artists. So
excellent,
we have a really
Lesley-Ann. Love that. How can we become a part of Manifesto Jamaica?
So if you log on to manifestojamaica.com, spelled out in its entirety, Jamaica in its entirety, you'll see a pop-up window that will invite you to share your email with us, and that's a key way to get first dibs on projects, programs, and other offerings within the creative and creative industry space that we're going on. We don't spam, we don't send out foolishness, and it's always substance over hype. So you can look forward to an enriching experience by virtue of being on that mailing list. And of course, we're not sharing anything that you don't authorize us to share by way of your email address. We take privacy seriously. So other than that, connect with us on social media. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you name it. Just search Manifesto Jamaica. Look for the green and yellow icon, the Jamaican colors, and you'll find us.
Thank you so much for joining us on the show, Lesley-Ann. That's excellent. Manifesto, can't wait. And on that note, Daytime Live will be right back, where we're heading to the UK to speak to the one and only Miss Chevelle Franklin.
Chevelle Franklin, sing.
Chevelle.